Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Welcome. Hey Spirit Boosters, welcome back to the channel. Family, friends, and loved ones, thank you for your continued support. Whatever kind it is, I'm hanging in there. I don't give a dang. I'm here for life. Whatever comes, whoever ends first. I am having a ball. Well, what am I doing on this channel today? Well, today I'm just going to share with y'all my fruit and vegetable salad. Shoot. This morning I woke up and I was changing the channel on the TV. Came across 600 Pound Lifer and I forgot about that show. And I was like, dang, those people lose weight fast. I know they on doctor no diet and everything, because I'm losing a pound every 2 days, but he's telling them, I want you to lose 25, 50 pounds in a month. Boy, on that, I need that diet. Even though I'm not putting salt, I'm not eating fried foods anymore, I'm not eating the sweets, and never could drink fruit juices, soda, and all that old stuff, because I'm allergic. And yes, I was allergic to bread too. That's why my feet broke out. Now, as soon as I stop eating bread, my feet heal up. Because I have eczema on top of other food allergies, food tolerances, so I got to watch what I put in this mouth when I'm responsible. Like now, since my blood pressure got out of control, because I was eating a lot of salty foods, because some of these canned goods, they have a lot of salt. So I have, what I do a pinch, and I mean a pinch, not even a big pinch. Maybe about 10 crumbs of salt kernels, or if you want to call them kernels. I tolerate that, and I'm doing better. That's all I can say is I'm doing better. And today I'm just going to share with y'all my fruit and veggie salad. And that's it today. No big grocery haul today because I just went to Trader Joe's. I did it again, y'all. And that, why I keep saying Trader Joe's? I don't know what's wrong. Is this a premonition? Is Trader Joe's? Okay, let me stop. That just came out. Y'all can see. I did not make that up. Y'all. I'm a mess. But anyway, I'm going to be on my crafting channel today. I have 2 videos I put up yesterday about a unisex gingerbread man. If you want to see what that's about, come on over there and watch those videos. And I'm going to continue using different materials, textures, designs, patterns, whatever, on the gingerbread man until I'm satisfied and I'm content with what I'm doing until I move on with something else. I know I'm keep promising other stuff on that channel, but it's coming. And I'll just let myself know, hey, I can take my time, I can relax and do this. I got time. And today I picked a tomato off of my tomato plant out on the balcony, and I think I got it in pictures of the red tomato growing, but it's the same size as that last one. I'm getting these tiny round red tomatoes. They're not Romas, they're just regular tomatoes, but they're not getting really big because I guess I didn't have the big seed plant. But anyway, I'm about to put that, if it's not tough or anything, I'll put it in my salad, but I just picked it. I'll show y'all that when I turn around and show y'all my fruit and veggie salad. But I hope all of y'all doing good. Welcome back to this channel. If I didn't, I probably said that. Welcome back. Share your goings on, carrying on, what's happening in your area and more. If you feel like sharing, come on over here and let's help folks, let folks know what's going on. I know lots of stuff is going on in different states. In Florida, I don't know why they want to ban the LGBTQ community, children. Something about, I don't know, allegedly they trying to stop them from being in, dressing in women clothes or something. Y'all heard about that? But hey, I don't know really what's going on with that. But also, I think they about to pass something with Climax and supposed to be saving some money. We still here in California waiting on our October stimulus checks, inflation stimulus checks. My sister keep telling me about some program for SSI recipients supposed to be getting something this month. Then I know next year is going to be a raise or something. But I don't know if y'all heard about getting some money on SSI in August. Say so in the comment section. It'll be helpful for a lot of folks that probably watching Look at Lose, trolleys, passing by, visitors, come holla. Okay, I'm about to turn around and share with y'all my doggone fruit salad, fruit and veggie salad, because today is a good day. Like I said, I'm going to be in my crafting room making more videos about my unisex gingerbread man. It could be a man, woman, boy, girl, because gingerbread, it depends on what you're putting on their face, it don't even matter. And also, I'm going to put up a new video on my gardening channel. So y'all come on through if you want. Family, don't forget, come through, support my channel. Come and visit me, check me out. I know, I don't care if I have a big audience or not. I just love what I do. I'm entertaining. I'm communicating with folks. I'm enjoying myself. I'm relaxed while I'm doing it. Okay? I'm loving every bit of it. This is marvelous. And y'all, they got a new Godzilla and King Kong sequel coming out. They got a new Jeepers Creepers movie coming out. They got a new movie with Sylvester Stallone. He playing a superhero. All this stuff. Well, I don't think about not the King Kong and the Godzilla, but I know a bunch of new movies coming out in the fall. And on Hulu, they got a new Predator coming out next month. I'm watching that. And you know Wakanda coming out. Woman King coming out. There's so much stuff coming out. I can't wait to see these movies, but I'm not going to the theater. I hope they soon stream them on one of these channels. Peacock, HBO 2, whatever it's called. But y'all, let me show y'all my fruit salad. And yes, Miss JENITA is still decluttering. It's taking me a century, but I'm doing it. Hold on. Okay, Spirit Boosters. Here's my little salad. Fruit and veggie salad that I'm going to be sharing today. And on the plate is this little tomato that I plucked off my tomato plant. It's a pretty clean tomato. Looks nice. It's just so dang tiny. But I'm just going to let it sit out and ripen up and get soft. Then I'll devour it. That's the right word to say. I am going to tear my little cherry tomato up. But it's not a cherry tomato plant. It's just small. Okay. So, just what I have. I put lemon juice on my cucumber chunks. I have some iceberg lettuce, not green lettuce, because a lot of raw green stuff gives me horrible indigestion, and I don't want to deal with heartburn, gas, spasms. Not today, baby. Some tomatoes, lemon juice, avocado. Got my lemon juice on the avocado. And this is some sweet, juicy nectarine with lime and lemon juice on it, so it don't turn brown so fast. So that's my fruit, the nectarines. I got those from Sam's. I didn't show y'all that bag. Can't show you everything. And I have some egg whites. So I guess what I'll do, my little thongs, is put on my plate. First thing, now I don't got my tripod today. I'm just doing it, holding the camera today. So I got the lettuce. Then I'm going to sprinkle some tomato. I take the skin off the tomato too, because I don't want no problems with digesting my food. And I put a little nectarine, that sweet nectarine on there. Let's throw some of these egg whites on there. Oh, you know we gotta have some avocado. Let's put some avocado around the plate. Oh yes, oh yes. Good avocado and my English cucumber chunks. I like eating them like French fries. This is one whole, but I'm not eating the whole thing because y'all know I gotta come back for seconds, thirds, fourths, and fifths. So this is my little veggie fruit salad. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Only talking about my change in diet, meaning what I'm eating now, because I have destroyed my body by eating all those other yummy foods. Fried foods, biscuits, pancakes, dumplings, cakes, pies, cookies, ice cream, whatever little bit I ate of the sweets. Not a lot of sweets, but a lot of the other stuff. Bread. I kept making sandwiches, especially chicken sandwiches. But don't trust and believe I'm gonna have some chicken salad, tuna salad, but I just won't have the bread, and I'll cut back on the the salty seasonings and stuff. I do have a lot of non-salt seasonings, y'all. But as far as this salad go, I am gonna use me a teaspoon of Thousand Island dressing. Yes, I am. I have eliminated a lot of stuff, but I'm going to dab my little pieces of salad in that Thousand Island. Satisfy me. I'm still doing good. I'm not dying no more from eating all that extra fried foods. Fish Friday, I have baked fish, and I bake my potato and I make wedges with a very small potato. I showed y'all my organic potatoes I got from Trader Joe's, and I did make a plate like that yesterday. I should have had it on showed you guys how I did that. But I'm trying to tell y'all, this nectarine I got from Sam's Club is sweet and juicy. I told my husband they were hard when we first got them, but 2 days later, oh my God, I put them in the refrigerator now. Ain't nothing gooder, better, more delicious than not icy, but a nice cold piece of fruit. Okay, so my meat is the avocado, and I took the egg yolk out of my egg because that gave me heartburn too. Okay, y'all, I'm about to eat my salad because I am hungry. I know it's looking crazy on the plate because the way I arranged it, but hey, it's gonna go down like that. It ain't gonna go down cute. It's gonna go down just like you seen it, messy. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for the support, family, friends, and loved ones. Thank you. I can depend on y'all if I can't depend on nobody else. And believe it, Miss Janita ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna continue to make my videos. And I'm about to go in my room after I eat this salad and set up back my craft room so I can finish doing my unisex gingerbread man. If y'all want to come to see those series, go to the crafting channel. If you haven't joined, please join. Any new subscribers, thank you for joining my channel. But one thing for sure, two things for certain. Some of y'all ain't liking the video. I'm tired of doing all the work by myself. I have told y'all this several times. What are y'all trying to make me do? Stop running y'all videos? Stop giving y'all a thumbs up? Is that what y'all want? Let me know in the comments, because if I don't see a bunch of thumbs up, and I'm only me and my other two channels, and some of y'all that I appreciate, y'all didn't even leave a thumbs up. What's wrong with y'all? First thing y'all do when y'all come in my channel, put the thumbs up, but hit it. Damn it. Do something right for a change on my channel. Show me some spirit boosting stuff for real, okay? Hit me with that thumbs up. And if y'all don't do it, y'all just encouraging me to behave the same way. I don't want to do it because that ain't my spirit. I don't have to behave like others behave. But if that's the trend, then why should I act any better than no one else? Any different than anyone else? Okay, y'all, stay in survival mode. Bye. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time.